Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will share a tutorial on how to DMSS share device with another user. To share the device with another user, make sure that both the first and second phones have the DMSS application installed and have created DMSS accounts, and have logged in to the DMSS application. Here, it can be seen that the first phone can already access the Dahua device, while the second phone cannot access it yet. To share, tap on the three dots to the right of the device you want to share, then tap on Device Sharing. Type in the email address of the other DMSS account in the field at the top. Check the boxes next to the types of permissions you want to give this other account. Then tap OK at the top. Tap on OK again when any warning notifications. Once the device has been successfully shared, you will see the account email address in the list under Shared Users. Next, on the second phone, there will be a notification on the DMSS application saying, Get Shared Device From. Then, on home page a device will be added. Next, tap on Play to view the live view. Congratulations! Now you can view the live view of the Dahua device from the second phone, allowing both the first and second phones to access the Dahua device together. That's it. How to DMSS share device with another user. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.